Okay, our next lecture will be plotting uh, a body that is to rise with uniform gravitational motion, or we may delete this one, with gravitational motion. Okay, so a body that is to rise with gravitational motion. An example of a gravitational motion is when you throw a stone or something on you stone. If you throw the stone upward with an initial velocity, as the stone moves upwards, it becomes slower. Okay, its velocity becomes slower until it reaches its maximum height. Then at that point, the velocity is zero. Then upon reaching the uh, maximum height, the stone starts to fall down and its velocity becomes faster. So that is an example of a gravitational motion. So here is the problem. Plot a displacement diagram for a body that is to rise 2 inches in 10 seconds with gravitational motion. Plot the displacement as coordinates for size and the time as abscissas to a scale of 1 inch is equal to 4 seconds. So here is the displacement diagram. So as we see that the problem says that the body rises 2 inches. So if you measure this, this is the starting point. To this point we have 2 inches. Right? So we also divide this vertical line, the yellow line, into 10 because the time is 10 seconds. So we choose the fifth one. So fifth vertical line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. That is in between 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if we measure the scale, 1 inch is equal to 4 seconds. So that is 1 inch. So if we count the vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one vertical line corresponds to 1 second. Now we divide the fifth line, the middle line, into 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So we see the cyan line here. This is the division. Okay. So the first 5 seconds is a positive constant acceleration. Then the last 5 seconds will be negative constant acceleration. So the profile will be made using this method. So we connect this, the starting point with this point, the intersection, this line. Okay, so we will already complete the 5 green lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 green lines corresponds to the first 5 seconds. That means the first 5 seconds is a positive constant acceleration. Then the last 5 seconds will be a negative constant acceleration. So like this, do it like this. You connect this line to the final destination. That. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is something wrong. This line, this line, this line, this line. And this line, this line, this line, this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? This line. So let us see. Let us draw the profile. Connect this line, intersection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so that is how to draw the profile of the body rising using gravitational motion. Okay, how about if the body will fall gravitational motion? Okay, we just mirror the what we've done. So we have just mirror this. So we click this and all of this. Mirror this. Okay, at the center. So we have to mirror this. It will be like that. It will start here. Right? So for example, it will start here. It will fall down using gravitational motion. Okay. So the body falls for the 5 seconds using, it will be positive acceleration. Then the other 5 seconds will be negative acceleration. So that is how to draw the profile of a body that is to rise or fall with gravitational motion. So thank you for watching and listening.